National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Mizpah, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Elwood, Magnolia, and Hamilton around 6:25 p.m., Egg Harbor City and Batstow around 6:30 p.m., Wading River and Port Republic around 6:35 p.m., New Gretna and Penn State Forest around 6:40 p.m., Bass River State Forest and Tuckerton around 6:45 p.m., North Beach Haven and Beach Haven around 6:50 p.m. This severe thunderstorm has a history of producing wind damage. Do not go outdoors. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean.